In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your GCash account. If you're locked out or having trouble signing in, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through the official support path so you can get back into your account safely. Once you're on the official GCash help page or inside the help center in the app, start by scrolling down the page. Take your time and look for the section that leads to support options. You're aiming to find the Contact Us area. Scrolling all the way down ensures you see the full list of help channels available, including chat support. When you see Contact Us, select it. This opens up GCash's official support options. From here, choose Chat with Gigi. Gigi is the verified GCash support chatbot available around the clock, and it's the fastest route to start an account recovery request. Using this built-in chat keeps your information within GCash's secure system and helps you avoid unofficial pages or forms that could slow you down. In the chat window with Gigi, type the phrase, "I want to recover my account." Keep it short and clear. This helps the system recognize your issue immediately and route you to the right flow. You should then see prompts tailored to account recovery. From here, simply follow Gigi's instructions regarding your concern. The steps may include basic verification and security checks to confirm you're the rightful owner of the account. Gigi may ask for details you know by heart and could send a one-time code to confirm it's really you. Make sure you enter any code only within the official chat window and never share it anywhere else. If you're asked to confirm device details or recent activity, answer as accurately as possible so the recovery can proceed smoothly. A few quick tips to make this process easier. Ensure you have a stable internet connection so the chat doesn't drop, and keep the device you usually use for GCash nearby, especially if you need to receive a verification code. Stick to the official help page or the help center in the app and avoid third-party sites that claim faster recovery. They can't access your account. If the chatbot asks follow-up questions, respond promptly to keep the session active. And that's it. Scroll down to find Contact Us, choose Chat with Gigi, enter "I want to recover my account," and then follow Gigi's instructions. Stay patient, provide accurate information, and you'll be on your way to getting your GCash access back.